As you're walking into an airplane, you can see all the bolts, the screws, the different parts on an airplane. We provide those. They all matter. They all have to function. Quality is incredibly important because you can't pull over to the side of the road when you're at 35,000 feet. Everything that's flying in the sky has our parts on them. So FDH is your trusted aerospace supply chain partner.
FDH is the fastest growing supply chain company that operates globally in different market sectors. Pretty impressive in our industry, which has been dominated for many years by some of the big players in the market. Our customers are choosing FDH because we're offering an alternative to the status quo that's in the market today. We're offering product availability that maybe some of their other suppliers are not offering today, and we're listening to them. What are their needs from a service perspective as well as a product need?
Our business has been built to have a diversified set of customers in many different industries, and those types of diversification can help us navigate any type of different cyclical storms that might come through in the aerospace market.
One of the things that makes FDH unique is our balanced approach to our end markets. In addition to OEM and aftermarket, we're 50-50 split between military and commercial.
One of FDH's strategies is to put people in local regions and empower them to grow their businesses in a very similar way to FDH businesses have grown up until the point that we acquired them. So it's almost like replicating that process all over the world.
With FDH Aero, we have local people, local decision making, and local inventory.
We have large inventory, we have strong customer-supplier relationships, but we also have a set of customers that we don't let down in terms of delivery, in terms of response time. At its essence, what FDH is doing is give small businesses in our industry strength, and that strength is laser focus on customer service and working closely in a trusted way with the supply base.
Bill Gantz, I'm president and founder of Arlington International, one of the first FDH companies. FDH is really a collection of many great entrepreneurial companies that have come together. Really done well to delight the customer and bring great values, and FDH has brought those together, leveraged the best practices, and really created this monster that can sit in front of a customer and really handle any specific need they have. If it demands financing, if it demands local availability of product, it demands expertise across multi-lines. I mean, we're that front-facing piece now that can handle all those questions for the customer.
We have two types of competition. One type of competition is like FDH, that they have a variety of offering. We are very strong on local decision, quick decision engineering. But another side that we do have some competition from different companies, but they are very narrow on their product line. So they only offer hardware, they only offer electrics, but we are able to offer a much wider range of product line to the customer.
What sets us apart is our customer service. Being able to make a phone call and get a real person immediately with 1 or 2 rings, getting an answer to an email inquiry within 20 minutes, and then the shipping of the same day, having the stock that no one else has. I think our supply chain team is doing an incredible job using technology to make sure we are in the best position in the market in terms of cost and availability.
What's interesting about the supply base is it kind of snuck up on suppliers. So they didn't realize how big we've become. And now they're starting to take notice. Once they realized how big we are and how much we're growing and the awards that we're getting from our customers, they want to be part of it. They want to be in the action. They want to be with a company that's growing.
And welcome to the Los Angeles Center of Excellence. We have 120,000 square feet and over 500,000 unique part numbers in this facility. We've got a variety of products from fasteners to fittings, all the way up through complicated gear beams and windscreens that aircraft need for maintenance. We're conveniently located close to LAX airport, so we can service AOGs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And then we're also really close to some of our largest suppliers that are located here in Southern California.
It puts 4 business units in California together, collaborating, going to market as FDH, being able to bring a supplier in and seeing how beautiful that warehouse is. And I think it's a really good example of the growth of FDH. We're bringing to the party different supplier relationships. FDH has done a good job of getting tier 1 pricing from the biggest manufacturers in the space, which gives us the best price in the market to service our customers.
The heart and soul of FDH really is from the businesses that we have brought into the FDH family. We've been able to develop a much more comprehensive operating system that we think is differentiated and best in class.
We're going places. It's an exciting time to be here.